This time on Screencast a Week, we make it much easier to find the system preferences you're looking for with search. Hello, people of the internet. I'm Kevin Yank, and this is Screencast a Week. Just a quick one this week, and we're going to be looking at system preferences, and specifically the search field in system preferences. Apple's done a lot of work to try and pick good icons and labels for all of the different sections of system preferences, but still, Macs are complicated beasts, and so it's hard to find the exact setting you're looking for a lot of the time. And that's where the search field here comes in. At a glance, you might think it just lets you find the labels of these icons, but in fact, it's a much richer and deeper search. If I'm looking to enable dark mode on my Mac, for example, to darken the menu bar and dock, I can just type dark mode into the search field. And you can see it has guessed that what I'm looking for is the dark menu bar and dock setting. It's highlighted here under the search field, and it's also put a spotlight on the exact icon where that feature is hidden. If I just hit enter now, that icon even flashes to help cement that in my mind so that the next time I come looking for that setting, I might remember where it is and just click the icon. Sure enough, there's that feature there. This search is really useful even when the Mac isn't able to guess what you're looking for. For example, I often want to tinker with the keyboard shortcuts of the items on my services menu here. And if I were to just type services in the field, it doesn't know exactly what I'm looking for, but it's able to make a few guesses. And you can see the icons for each of those guesses is lightly highlighted here. And when I spot the keyboard shortcuts item, which is the one I'm actually looking for, and select it, that icon is given a nice sharp spotlight to point it out to me. And once again, I can go straight in. And notice that it drops me on the appropriate tab for the setting that I'm looking for. Here are a couple of other things that I often find are easier to find in system preferences using the search. First of all, if you want to set up a Twitter account and you type Twitter, you can see there are several different places where Twitter is configured on your Mac. But if I want to set up a Twitter account, it's right there under Internet Accounts. If you want to control the applications that launch automatically when you log into your Mac, type Login, and you'll find login items here, hidden away in Users and Groups on the second tab for your account. And finally, you know I love my system extensions like Moom that we saw in a previous episode. These apps extend the features of the operating system, but to do that, they often need access to the accessibility features of the OS. Every time I go looking for that, I'll end up clicking this accessibility icon here, but that's not where you control which applications have accessibility access. Instead, if you type accessibility into the search field, you'll see the first option is indeed that icon, but the second option, allow apps to use accessibility, points out that those features are under security and privacy. When I select that, sure enough, on the privacy tab, I can control which applications have accessibility access on my system. So there you have it, the search field in system preferences. It makes tweaking the features of your Mac a whole lot more approachable because you don't have to memorize where all of those settings are hidden away in system preferences. Have a poke around and see what long-lost features you can uncover with the search field. That's it for Screencast a Week this week. As always, head over to screencastaweek.com to catch up on all the previous episodes and to subscribe to support the show. Until next week, I'm Kevin Yank. Thanks for watching. Bye.